Now in this video I want to show how to change the handle or the lock unit in case it's broken. In some cases, in most cases actually, the handle is broken because there's a spring in there, and after many times of use it will just collapse. In rare cases there's a spring in here that can collapse as well. So what we do in this case, well obviously in my mock-up case here it's all working, but in your case it's a different story, and this is why you're watching most likely this video. We take off these 3 screws, which might be 4 in your case, depending on the type of handle. They're easy to take out, just with a Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes you need a slot head screwdriver, depends on the screws. You take the handle off, or in your case you have to look which one it is that's collapsing, left or right, or sometimes it's both. In my case it's only one side, it's only a mock-up door. So there's a little spring in here that's collapsing or can collapse. So we put that aside for the moment. We take the spindle out, then we come to the lock unit. Just take off these 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now in your case the lock unit might be very sticky, stuck inside there very tight, so just give it a little bit of a wiggle with the screwdriver and it should come out fairly easy. Then with another screwdriver pry it out a little bit, and there you go, you have the whole unit out. So we'll show you the next stage. So now, since we have the lock unit out, and in your case you might decide that it's broken and you get a new one in the hardware store, we can open, in some cases you might have the problem that the lever here, the latch, might be on the opposite side where you need it. So that's easy remedied by opening up the spec plate here, taking out this 1 screw, carefully take off the top plate. Maybe keep your hands on that here that it doesn't spring off. Then you just take out the little spring here. Take the latch out, take this mechanism out here, turn the latch the opposite side, put the spring back in, look that the spring is nicely seated, put the spindle mechanism in here, back here, nicely in as well. Put the top plate back on and put the screw back on. Now there you go. Now you should have it on the right side the way you need it, and you can put it back into the door. Now we can put the lock unit and the handle back onto the door, which is the reverse obviously of before, and very easy. Just put it nice in here, get this nicely seated again in the recess. Take the 2 screws. Nice and tight. Here we go. Now to the handle. Best thing is look that you get back into the old screw holes again. Makes life easy. And it should be same position as it was before. Oh, hang on, I forgot something here. You have to put the spindle in back in again as well. Yeah. Finally. Yeah. Nice and hand tight. And there you go. Should be all nicely working. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you for watching.